Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with a segment we came up with. We only did a couple videos on. It's called Should This Shoe Be Retro? This is when I dig in my closet and find something that I haven't seen in a while and bring it to the camera and let you guys look at the shoe. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. You know, new channel, man, show us some love, man. You know, like the video, share the video, leave a comment, man. We appreciate anything that you guys do for us, man. That's why we keep bringing videos to this channel. And also, if you guys want to reach out to us on our social media accounts, on Instagram and on Twitter, you can hit us up at PENNY_4YT. Enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. We got the Lebron 25 fives, man. If you played basketball in the 2000s, you know that the 25-5 was big in the streets, man. Get a look at them. Y'all remember these, man. Ohio State, the college was wearing these, man. Let's get into it, man. You know, we got the red. The shoe is primarily red suede, man. It has the platinum swoosh going across, as you can see. Red and gray sole. The other strap comes off here. On the tongue, this tongue says James. The other one says LeBron. On the inside, it says LeBron James on the insole. Back here, you have Nike on both. Right here on the back panel, it has 2. On the other foot, it has 3. I think this is a very dope shoe, man. And I also think that Nike should definitely bring this shoe back, man. If they start bringing back the 25 files, man, it's gonna be different, man. I know they're coming out with the LeBron 16, man. I know you guys seen those, man, and I don't know how y'all feel about them, but I'm not feeling them. I thought Nike did a great job with the LeBron 15. The LeBron 15 was fire, man. I did a video on a pair of those, man. You guys can check that out, man. I'll leave a card up above, but the LeBron 15 was definitely a dope shoe, man. Sold out in a bunch of different colors, man. They were doing their thing, man. But LeBron has a lot of shoes in the archives, a lot of heat, man. So you guys might want to check out, man. He got the 25 fives. He got the LeBron Zoom Soldiers. He got his signature line, man. He has the Chamber of Fair Air Force 1 pack that they came out with, man, back in the day. LeBron got a lot of heat in his collection, man. That guy, he got a lot of heat, man. Y'all might want to, go do your homework, man. A lot of y'all don't really know about his collection of shoes that he came out with, man. Y'all might want to go back and do your homework, man. But this is one of the gems, man. The 25 files, man. Still got a pair. It's in the closet. Figure I'll bring it to the channel, man. If you guys like this segment, man, leave it in the comments below. I got a lot of old sneakers, man, that I got that I would love to bring to the channel, man. I got some ideas of videos that I want to put out myself. But you guys give me some ideas, and if I have the shoe, or if I know somebody that got the shoe, I'll definitely bring it to the channel, man. But let me know what you guys think about this segment, man. I thought it'd be dope for me to show you guys some of the sneakers I have in my closet and things like that, man. But yeah, man, let me know what you think about the 25-5. It came out in a bunch of different colorways, man. They had like a white, black, and yellow colorway that was fire. They had a white and navy blue with the red Olympic colorway that was fire, man. Like, there's a bunch of different colorways that was fire, man. So you guys need to check it out, man. But like I said, man, let me know what you guys think, man. Leave it in the comments below. If you think the shoe should be retro, leave it in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.